So most entrepreneurs only talk to their CPA when something is wrong or a deadline is looming. And when you do that, you're playing defense. That's defense. What we need to do is play offense. Defense is asking questions such as, can I write this off? Can I write off this dinner expense? Offense is asking, if I invest $10,000 in a new marketing assistant, how does that lower my tax liability so the IRS effectively subsidizes that hire? Yeah, that's the level you want to be on, because asking about a dinner write-off, okay, that might save you $50. However, asking how hiring can scale your business, that's gonna scale your business. So are we talking $50 or are we talking $50,000?